Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by finding where Word draws its numbers and why they're wrong. Open View, enable Draft and Navigation, then double-click the header or footer to expose the page number field. Once done, press Alt plus F9 to reveal field codes so you can see whether page or section-based formulas control numbering. Make sure to also display formatting marks to spot section breaks. These breaks often reset numbering unexpectedly. This initial inspection tells you the exact element to change next. Now you break in appropriate links and set the right start value. With header/footer open, click Link to Previous to turn it off where numbering should differ. That stops sections from inheriting numbers. Next, right-click a page number, choose Format Page Numbers, and set Start at to the desired number or select Continue from Previous based on intent. Once applied, press Ctrl plus A to select the whole document and F9 to update fields, so every page shows the new numbering immediately. Finish by cleaning and verifying so the fix sticks. Replace any manually typed numbers with true page fields, delete stray numerals that confuse updates. Then use Print Preview and Navigation pane to confirm continuous numbering across sections. If numbers still misalign, reopen headers/footers, reveal field codes, and re-examine each section breaks start at value. Often a single section set to start at 1 causes the issue. If needed, remove and reinsert the page number field to force a fresh refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.